Push that. Lately, I've been mixing drugs inside my cup. I've been mixing drugs inside my cup. I'm sick. How you late? Come on.
Hey man, get Boots on the camera. Hey man, this a real nigga right here, bro. I remember I first met Boosie, bro. I was stuck in the rain, bro. Told me to hop in the car, and we was somewhere we didn't even know nothing about.
She probably was trying to. You about trying to do something. He said he didn't know who he was.
What you was trying to do?
What you was trying to do to him when you told him to hop in your car? Oh shit!
I ain't want to be rude enough. I just was like, no, it's a little bit. It's a big bean bag. Like,
ain't no room over
here. I can sit like right behind, like, you know what I'm saying?
Like, laptop over there.
You been sitting right here on that marble.
I wasn't even gonna do nothing. I just sat down. That's it. That's all I wanted to do.
We're fine. We'll pass.
Well, I'm gonna take it off.
That's it. Let my nigga sit down.
They're
Twisted, going crazy on that
Genius, baby.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Banjo. You got something for this? Man,
that shit weak, man.
Y'all see the sign? No.
They said to get them. Oh, okay.
Hey, just